今天早起买了一份早餐，但是早起没有请客，所以我还是付了钱。今天吃的是早餐邪教巧克力吐司加薯饼，虽说它是邪教，但是我不信，那它就不是邪教。不要看它制作方式很简单，你要看也行。盖起来之前问一下薯饼有没有想逃走的意愿，没有，但是我想逃走。吃下去之后惊为天人，也惊李弘毅，吃起来就像在炒凤番茄酱。薯饼不是跟你天生一对，它也可以配胡椒盐，几口吃下来真的甜得发慌。拿着我的无糖茶压压惊，也压热量。总而言之，我给它宗旨的好邻居一定是大拇指的。
我问一下哦，你汉堡怎么包的？嘿，美珍。人再加蛋，然后呢？哎，对，然后呢？
你不要再加了，我帮你重放。
很好。
你什么都掉地上。
全掉。无一细节。刚刚老姐说这样。哎，没有，白错，南派猪捡起来，成本最高的捡起来，南派猪捡起来，南派猪捡起来，成本最高的捡起来。
好，
Be a Chinese man, yeah? Yep. What did you want? Oh, fried rice? Yeah, cool. Can I get just a fried rice, please?
Do you want chicken, beef, or pork?
Oh, pork, please.
Card or cash?
Card, please.
The 50-cent surcharge.
Yeah. Bro. Sorry. Can you pretend to be a Chinese man? Real quick, my girlfriend's calling. I'm supposed to be at a restaurant ordering food. Be a Chinese man, yeah? Yep. Hey, babe, how's it going? Yeah, good. I'm at the restaurant now. Yeah, I'm already here. Oh, okay. You want to order? Yeah, you can order. What did you want? Oh, fried rice? Yeah, cool. Can I get just a fried rice, please?
Do you want chicken, beef, or pork?
Sorry, do you want chicken, beef, or pork? Pork? Oh, pork, please.
Do you want spring roll with it or no?
Did you want spring rolls? No, thanks. No spring rolls.
What about a drink?
Did you want a drink? No, nothing's funny. Nothing's funny. Do you want a drink? Oh, just a Coke Zero, please. A Coke Zero.
Card or cash?
Card, please.
The 50-cent surcharge.
Yeah. Sorry. I just saw something funny. Yeah, I'll bring it back in a bit. I'll be home in maybe 40 minutes. Is that alright? You're awesome.
Chicken stir fry with what, man?
See you then, babe. Thanks. Love you. Bye. Thank you so much.